Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy A9, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. To make your device faster, of course we need to understand why our device is starting to slowing down. So, firstly, because it's Android. So why Android is starting to slowing down? Because of several reasons. So first reason, your device parts are getting older, and now for the market of application, this stuff is not too good. So this is the first reason. Second reason, a lot of cache files on your device. And third reason, not enough RAM. And now we will go through these three reasons. So first reason, of course, we can't change. Okay, so parts in our device are static. We can't change the processor or RAM, but we can boost the RAM. So how we can do it? To do it, we need to open. Firstly open About tablet to check your information. Here you can check your information, but we need to open battery and device care, and here find storage, enable allow all, settings, yes, my files, go back, scroll down, and here we need to have memory. In memory, we will have RAM Plus or something about it. Scroll down, and yes, here we have RAM Plus, and you need to enable 4 GB of RAM Plus. In this way, Android system will use the part of internal storage like RAM. Okay, go back to the storage, open storage, and here in storage, as you can see, I have used 30% of my internal storage, but you need to remember the one rule. If you want to have your device always in good condition, you need to remember, never fill up your internal storage over the 70% full. It's very important, because if you will fill up, your device will starting to slowing down. Okay, go back. And what about old files? So on your device, of course, we have no built-in cleaner, but sometimes is very good idea to download Google Files application. Or just find files by Google. Open, continue, allow all, and here you will see clean, and here you will see junk files black, and here you just need from time to time, once a month, just clean your junk files, because application on Android system literally leaving behind a lot of junk files, and sometimes we just need to clear them. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, and of course, the one thing that can help you to find it, open battery and device care. Here find battery, and here in power saving mode, disable limit CPU if you use in power mode. If you use power saving mode always, because it limits your CPU speed. Okay, so if you use constantly power saving mode, just disable this feature. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.